Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we'll be showing you guys a method that has the potential to completely change the way you take notes. This is mind mapping. Now, mind mapping has been around for a long time and a lot of people swear by it. This is mainly due to its three really interesting characteristics. Number one, it helps you focus on the bigger picture. Now, compared to traditional note-taking and bullet points, a mind map lets you focus on the main goal and how small tasks contribute to it so that you can never lose sight of the main goal. Number two, it helps you remember more effectively. Now, a mind map in general will help you remember things better because of one simple thing: context. Context is really important while remembering notes, and mind mapping is perfect for that since you see how each note is connected to each other. And number three, it's fun. Now, compared to other methods of note taking, mind map can be an incredible tool for brainstorming since it lets the user start with a singular idea or goal and then it further branches out to different sections or categories. Now, it can be incredibly detailed or specific or super simple and concise depending on the needs of the project. Now, by the end of this video, you guys will go from a basic idea or goal to a fully fledged functional mind map using Taskade, the fastest way to get things done. Let's get started. Now, firstly, we can start by creating a new project in Taskade and switching to the mind map view. For example, let's say that we want to brainstorm on a new topic on how one can be more productive. Now, with that as our main goal, we can proceed to add new branches or categories within that mind map. For example, one could be distractions to cut down on, the other could be new things to learn, and the third could be a daily or a weekly routine. Now, we can add tasks or notes in each of these categories to dial in exactly what we think or brainstorm on, and you can also zoom in or out of these categories to never lose sight of the bigger picture at play. Mind maps can also be used for various things, whether it is to make an important decision or to just brainstorm on a new topic. The possibilities are endless. Now, students can also use mind maps to take notes effectively, and it can be used as a tool to think through complex problems. Now, if you guys want to save more time and get straight to customizing a pre-built mind map, you can also head over to our template section and choose from this mind map template and start editing it to your liking right away from the link in the description below, completely free of cost. Now, in conclusion, a mind map can be incredibly helpful for certain scenarios, but of course, it's one productivity method across many others. So feel free to check out our other videos on other methods like GTD or traditional note-taking to gain a better idea on which one would be better for you to use. Be sure to check out our Taskade YouTube channel and subscribe, and also check out our socials for timely updates on Instagram, Reddit, and Twitter. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more productivity-based videos like these, and we'll be sure to be back with another video. Taskade, simplify your productivity.